everybody. This time I'm going to teach you a new technique. This is called the walk through back through technique. Here first we are going to use our two hands. First we keep dominoes here and then we are going to take two dominoes and then we are going to join those two and we keep them here. And then if we want we can make it more far. Then we are going to build 3. If it's not enough space, we can move back. So we are going to build them 1, 2, 3. This is going to be 4. Then this is 2, so we are going to make it 3. This one we are going to make it 2. And then here we are going to keep 1. So then we are going to keep dominoes here. This technique means you want to go above and after you are going to go below again. So this is called the walk through back through technique. I got to keep them carefully. And then that's it. There is another domino trick for building that. So let's topple it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.